don't know how much of this dirt scratches you can see on the camera here, but the M6 is filthy. It's been here for a few weeks now. I'm waiting to get it in. The owners of it were good customers and I became good friends. Aren't in a rush with it. Actually kind of helps them that it's up here with us, kind of out of their way, because it's not really in our way. And we love having E63 cars in. That makes those 4. Now these 2. But I cleaned this up once when it came here because it was a 7-hour drive to get it up to us. And now it's dirty again. You can see there's all these swirl marks in it. So I noticed that from cleaning it the first time. So between the swirl marks and doing the wash and polish is kind of a complimentary service, especially if you're sending your car from outer state to us for rod bearings and Vanos pump, which is what this M6 is here for. Figured Amola Red. You don't really see too much of it, especially on the E63, even though this one did start out life as a black sapphire metallic M6, and then got painted the Amola Red. Kind of a rare deal. It would be kind of cool to see the transformation from its current state to what I'm pretty confident this paint can do. I think it can be pretty cool looking. So I'm just gonna do a quick little video on shining it up, probably just do like a little 3-stage sort of deal. Also kind of on the fence because I do not claim to be a professional detailer or body guy. Paint and grease don't mix that well. I mean, I can make some things be shiny, like the Queen here, sitting on the Rojanas. But yeah, it's more of like a kind of a complimentary service. Plus, it's something I enjoy doing. But I'm definitely more of an expert in the rod bearings, SMG, mechanical side of things, more so than the paint and polish side of things. But let's get to cleaning. We're gonna start by washing it with something that does not have wash and wax in it. Just wash, so like any type of, just soap or shampoo, because we want to get any type of products that they have on it as far as waxes or coatings or anything off of it, so we can get down to a good fresh clear coat. There we go, got it all cleaned up here. Much better area to start here. The next part involves using a DA. So we don't want to have dirt and other grime in the paint and then grind it in there. We don't want to have other dirt and grime in the paint and then be grinding it in there. So you can see here some of the scratches, and also back here on the trunk. So we're gonna see how many of these scratches we can get out and how clean we can make it. So next step, we're gonna use probably not go with a coarse pad, we'll do a medium pad, the DA and some polish, and see how it turns out. All right, so we tested a few different products out on the hood there. With this M6 being repainted before, we didn't know who painted it, what they painted it with, how long ago they painted it. A lot of variables there, so we didn't want to go too far, too quick, so we started off really slow. I think I got the perfect combination for this Outlaw red here. So now we can do the entire M6 with the first and second stage and see what it looks like. All right, so the M6 is looking a lot better, but we're not done yet. We still have to get all the different polish residue and compounds off of it. So instead of washing it here, I'm gonna move a few M5s, wheel it over to the other side, get it properly washed, and then we'll bring it back over and do either wax or a coating. I'm not sure yet, but it'll look a lot better once we're completely done. I think it's time for a cold start. Now that the M6 is looking good, it's time to do some rod bearings. This is what it's actually here for. Do some rod bearings, the Vanos line, Vanos pump, which is already outnumbered here. So be sure to check out the channel for videos on this. As always, thanks for watching.